Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Yamaha 1700cc Warrior. This bike has right around 8,500 miles on it and is in awesome condition. Got a couple of little minor nicks here and there, but hard enough to see. But it's got a lot of nice accessories on it. So let's take our walk around it. I'll show you what's on it, and then we will fire it up. It's pretty much all black edition, has been kept very clean and taken very good care of. It does have drag bars on it, blacked out drag bars. The tires on it are in excellent condition, got plenty of miles left on those. Comes with aftermarket grips. It also has a convertible rider's peg. It goes from peg to with a footrest. It also has Vance and Hines turn down exhaust, along with a fender eliminator. And on the rear and on the front, it's got smoked lens covers over the signals. Like you can kind of see a little tiny scuff right there. I mean, very minimal, very minimal. Again, the grip, the convertible pegs, forward controls. Just a really super clean power cruiser. Lower air dam. So back tire as well is in excellent condition. That's got a lot of miles left on it. So I'll show you here. 8458 is what's on it. Hard to see, isn't it? There we go, that's a little better. 8458. Also has a fender eliminator on it. Got that plate tucked up in there nice and tight. This Warrior will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this power cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping. Simply Street Bikes. Oh yeah.